In this video, I'm going to show some Lloyd weather mats for my 2016 Spark EV. I was trying to find some WeatherTech type of mats for my vehicle, and apparently they don't make mats for the Spark EV. And I looked at Husky, I looked at WeatherTech, I looked at some other brands, but I've used WeatherTech before and I'm happy with them, and they just don't make them for the vehicle. Initially, I found these mats on Car ID, but they're a US retailer. I happened to Google Lloyd mats and I found retailer in Canada, Coveritcanada. So check out Coveritcanada. I didn't get any sponsorship or anything. I did actually have one hiccup. That's why there are two boxes here with Lloyd mats, because they messed up the order. I had ordered mats for the front and the back, and they only shipped me the front mats on the initial order. Coveritcanada, no questions asked, they looked at the order and they sent out the replacement. So let's take a look. These are the initial mats I got, which are the fronts. So here are the mats. You've got the driver's side and the passenger side. And before anybody goes, why'd you get yellow mats? I wanted a different color. I didn't want to go with your standard gray. I did see a review of somebody that got white mats and they were complaining that they stained. You're gonna get bright colored mats, a white color, they're gonna stain. I accept it. I'm not gonna freak out when they start getting dirty, but again, I just wanted something different for my vehicle that's not regular gray or black. Here we have the rears. I guess that's how it goes, but we'll take a look when we put them in. Got the fronts, got the rears. They have the little grooves in them to hold some water so it doesn't go splashing around. And these are probably the best option if you have a Spark EV electric vehicle, because the regular ones do not fit the electric model. So here are the mats in the car. Driver's seat, passenger seat, rear seats. So we'll see how they hold up with dirt, but again, I know they're bright, I know they're yellow, they're gonna get dirty.